Hello, in this video we're going to discuss a peer review process. First of all, what's a peer review? Scientists have studied the effects of radiation on humans, including the survivors of the atom bombs dropped on Japan in 1945. Their findings are published and shared with other scientists so that the findings can be checked by them. This process is called peer review. Moving to the Chernobyl and Fukushima accidents. In 1986, a nuclear reactor in Ukraine exploded. A cloud of radioactive material from the fire drifted over many parts of Europe. More than 100,000 people were evacuated and over 30 people died in the accident. More have developed leukemia or other cancer types since then. The Chernobyl reactor didn't have a high-speed shutdown system like most reactors have. The operators at Chernobyl ignored safety instructions. The lessons learned from Chernobyl were put into practice at Fukushima in Japan, after 3 nuclear reactors were crippled in March 2011 by an earthquake and a tsunami. The entire population within 20 kilometers were evacuated from their homes. Radiation levels, food, milk production and health effects over a much wider area will need to be monitored for many years. This is what happened in Chernobyl and Fukushima. That's all. Thanks for watching.